Hello guys, moving on with our Binary Options Academy project, of course here on fairbinaryoptions.com. Let me write on the screen and this project or this mini educational series that I'm going to discuss here now, it is, let's say, forming, or it is being part of one of the most difficult decisions a trader should make or can make, that being buying highs or selling lows. I mean, if the market had the power to reverse from a specific level, then why on earth to go long or to go short from that level, as the fear of being trapped in the wrong direction is the one that governs such a decision. Now, this is not necessarily true. Of course, if you are looking to go long or short when you trade binary options, then you are talking about call options or put options. This is the current euro US dollar prices, and you have to imagine that trading not only binary options, but trading currency markets in general based on the binary options implies a lot of tricky moves, and implies a stop hunting from market participants. People have the tendency to put stops into most predictable levels and areas, and therefore they are easy to be hunted by other market participants. Now let's imagine that this is a move that that started from here, or actually even the previous move. So the previous move here in the euro US dollar goes and goes and goes, and these are the previous highs here. Now imagine that people that shorted the pair here, or bought put options here, or shorted the pair on the regular spot market. Where would you put the stop loss if the market goes against you and you want to add to your position? Well, the stop loss will be placed at the highs. So the fact that the price has the ability to go and move over the previous high is not something that a trader should fear, or but should be looked at as only a confirmation that the market is actually strong enough, or somebody is buying from here and pushes price above, and therefore I would like to join the party. So that would be only an ideal place to buy call options. Now with binary options we have one advantage. The advantage is the expiration date. As even if you are wrong, if you choose the expiration date based on the time frame that you have, you might still be profitable, and we'll have plenty of examples right here in a couple of moments. So this is the moment where I would like to buy call options here, and of course the market move to the upside, and this area, as you can see here, if you project this area now on the right side, it is proving to be a strong support area, because every time when market dipped then into this area, so every time when market dipped into this area, only found buyers, and then if this was a nice place for the market to break to the upside, then all these places here were only places to buy call options, not based on our strategy here on buying highs or selling, or buying strength or selling weakness, but a former resistance turned into support, and this would be a nice place just to buy call options every time price comes into this area. It is as simple as that. And then what? The market, it is traveling from the 130, 139 area all the way to the downside into what? Into 137.85, and even lower here into 137.70. And then it is being bought every time the market comes here, and all the attention then is followed, or is at where the people will put the stops. Well, the stops will be put, or will be placed at the previous highs, and therefore at these highs here would be a nice place to go and buy some call options when they are being broken at the first time. The same principle applies. So here we need to buy call of. The same principle applies here when market goes to the upside, when the first time the area is revisited, is just another place to go and buy call options again. Now again, it depends on the expiration date. If you choose a bigger expiration date here or here, you might end up with your option to expire out of the money, but that's another story. Let's move on with the rest of the euro dollar chart here to the downside to see if we have other similarities here as well. Stay tuned please for the second part.